Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to introduce you how you can use AI tools to pass exams and tests. Exams and tests you do in a classroom. Obviously, you cannot take your computer with you in the examination room, but what you can do is to design example questions and practice those example questions, and then you are well prepared to pass the exam in the classroom. First of all, you need to get hold of an examination paper or a test paper with example questions for the course you are studying. If this is not available, please ask the lecturer professor. And if they are not helpful, it is always a good idea to go through your student representative. If a request comes from the student representative, then the lecturer professor is most likely to follow that request. So this here can be about any topic, but I'm going to focus on my area of specialism, which is biochemistry. And in fact, if you need more in-depth advice how to pass the biochemistry exam at the first year in university, I recommend you to watch my other video on YouTube, which is an introduction to a course on Udemy, a learning platform, Udemy. And this course is entitled How to Pass the Biochemistry Exam. Unfortunately, this course is not free. So let's start with the topic. First, you need to identify really which AI tool is the best to use. And I'm going to focus here on free AI tools, which are freely available in July 2024. And you give them a number of questions as test and see which of the AI tools performs the best. Here, these are my questions from the area of biochemistry. So this may not apply to your subject. So question 1, question 2. Also here I have some questions which require upload of a figure. So for question 2, an upload of a figure is required. And the AI tools I'm going to suggest allow this upload of figures. Question 2. And you can pause the video if you are interested in this question, in reading through this. Question number 3 also goes with a figure. Question number 4. That's actually a fairly easy question, just a knowledge recall question. While the other questions, in my opinion, really require understanding and thinking about the topic. Question number 6 and question number 7 and question number 8. Okay, so what are the results? And these are the different AI tools I used on the 9th of July 2024. Gemini Pro, Copilot in Edge with a setting of more precise, and Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and ChatGPT, which currently provides for the first number of prompts the version 4.0, free access to the version 4.0. So and that is the scores I obtained for all the different 8 questions. So the best tool was ChatGPT using the 4.0 language model. And there are some details. Sometimes they require additional prompting for question 5. But overall, ChatGPT in the version 4.0 was the best tool to use. So now I'm going to show you how you can use it. You can see for question 8, it didn't get the correct answer for all questions. For question 8, it did not. But nevertheless, let's try question 8 to see if ChatGPT can design example questions for question 8. And because it did not get the right answer, I think we need to provide the right answer to the system as well as a so-called one-shot prompt. So here I'm in ChatGPT and I'm writing my prompt. Consider this example question. Here the text of the question comes with the different options, and I also provide the correct answer. And now I ask ChatGPT to provide 3 more questions with correct answers. And this is a so-called using a one prompt answer, where I provide one example and ask for more results. Let's see what comes out. So here we can, that shows you how you can get, how you can produce further example questions that can aid your learning for an exam and then help you in the end to pass the exam. Finally, again, I would like to remind you particular about biochemistry on my course on Udemy, how to pass the biochemistry exam. Udemy is a learning platform. This course is introduced in a short video you can find on YouTube, and the link for that video is provided in the description. Thank you and bye-bye.